Hi everyone, welcome you to another video. Today we are planning to go to Wulai. This is gonna be my first time I'm gonna see waterfall in my life, so this is amazing. I hope to see very great views and enjoy today in Wulai. Now we are in Ximen. We are near Taipei City Police Department. We just go to eat some Taiwanese dumplings, and yeah, after this we're gonna take MRT to Xindian and then bus to Wulai. So already we order 20 Taiwanese dumplings with pork. This is soya?
Yeah.
Soya, okay. Oh, the meat is really amazing, like the dough is really tender and very soft. Yeah, but I think like I really love the dumplings. The dumplings is like the second best Taiwanese dish. But I was thinking maybe it's gonna be different with taste in other places in Taipei, but mostly the dumplings all over in Taipei, I think the taste is almost no difference, maybe just a little bit, but mostly like the taste is always the same. It's really great. Okay, we are now in Xindian. We just got out from metro station. We're gonna take bus to Wulai. It's like nearby from here. I think like the bus station is around this building, so we just go. The bus, it's gonna be like in 8 minutes, so yeah, we must wait a little bit more. But being here like even 10 minutes, even the air is different than, for example, in Ximen. We are in Xindian, so more in the south, and I feel the air is just different here, more not that polluted than, for example, in Ximen and like other places near city center. The harder part of the last video, and it's gonna be the most harder thing for making videos here, just making subtitles in Chinese, because my girlfriend really helped me with making subtitles correctly to this video. So we spent really many hours to make good subtitles without like many mistakes and other things. So yeah, I hope we're gonna spend great time today. We're gonna see what's gonna be next. What a great place to hang. I have like coffee. Here is my camera. I must like hang like this for 30 minutes. Finally we found seats. Like the 20 minutes it was going, it was all full bus, but finally Benji was feeling a little bit dizzy. But yeah, we have seats now. It's really great views here. So yeah, we just arrived to Wulai. We're planning to go straight to the waterfall. The scene, it's maybe here, or I think we still must go by the foot like 15 minutes or maybe 20 minutes. I was seeing some videos on YouTube, like many pictures from this place, but when I came here, I wasn't thinking it's gonna be that beautiful. Like the mountains and the buildings over the trees. So amazing. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Really. Yeah, Slian Kukuaya Benegtail. We'll go buy some water. Okay, so from the last video I was testing some sweets, Taiwanese sweets, and I could buy like one thing that I could try when we're gonna go to Waterfall. So yeah, what you can recommend? Or just to try, you know?
Maybe the milk tea.
The milk tea. Okay.
But it's from Japan.
Japan. Maybe I will go with this. I wasn't trying this Lipton green tea milk. Yeah, we're gonna try this. No? Okay. I forgot that unfortunately, like all family marts in Taiwan, they doesn't access my Polish card. Just only Family Mart work and like McDonald's and mostly other places with payments by card. Yeah, I should thinking more because I'm here 3 months and I should always take cash with me. Of course, I must go later and deposit some money from my bank account. But when I used to like living in Poland, I was only paying by my phone. But here, I know that I need always like some cash with me. Okay, so yeah, this is like Lipton green milk tea. Yeah, I hope it's gonna be nice. I mean, we don't have for sure this in Europe. I mean, I don't know if in Europe, but for sure in Poland we doesn't have this type of tea. Yeah, I remember like first time I was drinking milk tea. It was like I think even 7 years ago, something like this. I remember my grandma make me black tea, and she add sugar to this and milk. And from this time, I was really like, this so different taste and like something new for me. But I really enjoy it. So yeah, we're just gonna try this. The smell is really like similar to like yasmin tea. The flavor, it's very flowery. The taste, it's really yasmin, but still I feel here honey and milk, and this is really like I really like the yasmin tea, and that's why with milk it's really nice. Yeah. Okay, we like in halfway to the waterfall. I really want to see waterfall. I never seen in my life. Yeah, the views and the mountains is so amazing. I will show you the surroundings here, like mountains. I think I could go there and swim. I really want.
But how? I don't think there's a way.
I don't know, it's pretty high here. But I think it's open, right? It's over there. We are almost there. Almost there in the waterfall. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so amazing. It's so amazing. Seeing waterfall. You know, there is waterfall and it's wonderful. Oh my god, that's looking incredible. Incredible. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. That's looking really amazing. Oh my god. Really, I never seen waterfall in my life. But that's looking just amazing. Wow. It's really big. Even being here and like see first time waterfall, it's I don't know how to say this because like seeing the things that you doesn't seen before, like being here in Taiwan, like seeing new things and new places, beauty of the nature. I can't even describe this because I'm really happy that I can be here and see these beautiful things. That's really great. Yeah, I think now I will just make some pictures and we're gonna find if it's other place that we could see this beautiful waterfall in other side, maybe somewhere there. We're gonna see in just couple minutes because we're gonna check if it's other places to see this waterfall, but if not, just probably we're gonna sit here for a while, enjoy the time, and yeah. We must unfortunately say goodbye to waterfall. It's pretty dark right now. Yeah, we're probably gonna go to some restaurant. Yeah, before when we was like coming there, I've seen like the trees of bananas, and this other thing that I wasn't see ever in my life. Oh my god, and Angie even said that in her hometown they have like plantation of bananas, right? Oh my god, so great. Oh wait, by the way, we are in this place. I don't know if it's visible. There's bananas there. Maybe one day I'm gonna have chance to just take banana from the tree and eat. I hope so.